This is a wall squat. It is great for your lower body and contracting all those muscles, ligaments, and tendons in your lower body. So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna go on the wall. It's just what it sounds, a wall squat. And we're gonna squat. You're gonna take your upper body to help you navigate your way down. Now you're gonna go as low as you can go. And what you're gonna do is make sure your knees are at a 90-degree angle, okay? And you're gonna feel this in your quads. So you're gonna feel this in your core. Keep your core tight. Keep your legs tight. It's actually you're pushing you back on the wall, so you're gonna naturally contract, and that's okay. And you're starting to shake, hang in there. Shaking is good. You wanna make sure you build up strength. So you can sit just like this, normal. Make sure you're breathing through the movement. Try not to hold your breath. A lot of times when we have a still movement, people hold their breath. Breathe through the movement. And you just sit as far as you can go. You can go low as you can go, or if this is too much, just come back up here and just practice a little higher. Belly button to the spine. Make sure your belly button is actually touching the back of the wall, okay? And if you want to make this heavier, what you're going to do is get into your wall squat position, inch your way down here. So when you have heavy weights, just want to inch your way down. And then you can hold the ball like this, hold it out. Do whatever you need to do to make this intense. You can hold the ball here, you can have a weighted plate, and just be creative to make this heavier. But that's it. This is our wall squat.